Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing the best heart-healthy diet for you. A heart-healthy diet is essential for maintaining good cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of heart disease. First and foremost, it is essential to focus on consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables daily. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are also important components of a heart-healthy diet. They provide fiber and nutrients that can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. When it comes to protein, lean sources such as fish, poultry, tofu, and legumes should be your go-to choices. Limiting saturated fats, trans fats, and cholesterol is crucial for heart health. Instead, opt for healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Minimizing salt and sugar intake is also important for maintaining a healthy heart. Regularly consuming foods high in sodium and added sugars can increase the risk of heart disease.